Hi everyone, thank you for watching Certified Supplier Initiative Dongguan Factory Tour. I'm your host, William D. Fresh. Certified Supplier Initiative is launched by China Toy and Juvenile Production Association. We evaluate toy and baby products based on 5 criteria: product safety, safety insurance, specified standards, self-export capability, and social responsibility to help you find the most appropriate business partner in China. Today, we're here in Dongguan, a famous baby and toy production hub in China. To give you a better understanding of Certified Supplier, we're going to visit Star Moon to see how they operate. Let's check it out. Now we're coming to the manufacturing center of Star Moon, where you can see how the various toys, like pad printing, are being made on production line. Standard procedure process and strict quality management systems are one of the most important evaluation criteria for certified suppliers that's in agreement with China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. This particular factory here is located in Dongguan City. However, they have a 100,000 square meter facility located in Hunan Province. Welcome. We're in another area for Star Moon Manufacturing Company. We're in the local assembly area where they put together all these fine products. You can see that some of these are very small pieces and very detailed. The quality management system that they have at Star Moon is coincided with the Certified Supplier program that's set up by China Toy Juvenile Product Association. As you can see, they're very detailed work that they're doing here. And you can take a primary view of the location to get a better idea of the product in the assembly, how things work in the assembly area. We're now in Star Moon showroom. Star Moon was established in 1995. The certified suppliers attach great importance to product and safety and aims at bringing our products to superior quality at competitive prices. All products comply with international safety standards such as EN 71 and ASTM F963. At Star Moon, they not only provide products to the domestic market, but they also export products around the world. The brand is very committed to developing toys for children of all ages. One of the key products that they have is the electronic dog that promote on the domestic market. It's a very good product they have here in China. They also have play sets in English as well. But one thing we talk about is their certification. They are certified ICTI Ethnic Toy Program. They have certificate from World Safety Standards. They have the Global Security Verification as well as Quality Management System, ISO 9001-2015. And they're also members of the China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. So you can see that Star Moon is really ahead of the curve and when they develop products to meet the market, not just in the domestic market, but the international market as well. We're now at Star Moon's Quality Control Laboratory. As a certified supplier, Star Moon puts great emphasis on controlling the product quality in the products that they make. They're international quality management system, so to make sure that their customers are worry-free when they're getting their products from Star Moon. Here we have 3 areas that we're going to talk about, 3 testing points they want to emphasize. One is the tension test. You can see right here, she's testing the tension of the toys. And another area here is the impact area. So you're gonna make sure that the toys are able to stand a certain amount of impact. And then the final area we have here is for the water testing. Water testing is good for making sure that there's no rust that happens with the toys. So with Star Moon, they have their own independent testing system at their facility. And they also have the independent laboratories and advanced testing equipment. So all QC members have the professional ability to control production process and quality supervision so as to ensure product quality. They have 17 qualified engineers to work in their quality control department. We're at Star Moon's Design and R&D Center. We have a very talented group of individuals who can produce all these products that they've been doing since 1995. And you can see that they're really highly talented in the area of design and R&D research here at Star Moon. Okay, at Star Moon, they maintain some of the highest standards certifications such as BSCI and ICTI. And I'm here with Eric, the General Manager at Star Moon. How you doing, Eric?
Hi, William.
Fine. Pleasure to meet you, and I really appreciate you inviting us to your location. But I have a couple of questions today.
Yeah, sure.
How do you emphasize the quality that you put into your toys? How do you determine that?
Okay, yeah, actually, we were starting from materials and then to production procedures and also for testings, because we know that for toys, safety is the priority. And then apart from safety, the chemical safety is the other thing. So we will run through our supply base to make sure that everything that we source from them has been tested. They have got supporting reports so that we know that it's safe for us to use their material. And then the other thing is on-site management. So we'll make sure that during the processes, we will have no sharp things in there. There will be no metal parts with the flush. So we'll use X-rays and metal needle detection to manage that. And so for the rest, it will be the quality department that you have visited to see how we do all the abuse testing to make sure that they're durable and reliable.
Okay, that's great stuff to hear too. But I understand also that even though we're in Dongguan, you also have a facility in Hunan province, right? It's a 100,000 square meter facility, right?
Yep, correct.
Now, that shows growth of the company because you established in 1995.
Yeah.
And the facility was open in when?
2012.
2012.
Yeah.
So with that in mind, what is the future of Star Moon?
Yeah, so we will continue to dedicate ourselves in making toys because we believe that seeing smiles from children is the most important thing, and that's the most rewarding things that we can do. And apart from developing toys that are beneficial to children's growth from age 0 to age of 8. So we would like our toys to have more educational values, and we'll regard ourselves as edutainment business. And so it's matter to us that how to build a good childhood, and so we'll continue to do that.
Okay, great. So you heard it first from Eric, folks. So Eric here at Star Moon, you get in contact with him, or you contact us at China Toy Juvenile Product Association, and we can get the information to them. So I appreciate you letting us come to your facility, and all the best to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right.